Today, we witness a truly historic leap in transportation technology. Right now, one of the most futuristic innovations the world has ever seen is making headlines: XBank Air Rod's modular flying car, a vehicle that's redefining how we move both on the ground and in the air. Yes, the future we once imagined is now becoming a reality. This incredible creation is called the AOW Land Aircraft Carrier, a next-generation mobility solution designed for both 2D and 3D transportation. It's not just a car. It's not just a drone. It's a revolutionary hybrid, a smart vehicle that transforms from a road-going electric off-roader into a fully functional flying machine. And here's the best part: deliveries are set to begin as early as the fourth quarter of 2025. This modular flying vehicle is built on two components. The ground module, a powerful, six-wheeled all-wheel drive vehicle with seating for 4 passengers. It's engineered for off-road conditions and large enough to carry the flying module in its rear. Despite its size, rear-wheel steering makes it as easy to maneuver as a premium SUV. The air module, a detachable drone powered by a distributed electric propulsion system. This part of the vehicle can autonomously or manually take off and land, making flying as easy as driving. When you're driving in the city or countryside, the air module stays docked. But when traffic hits or natural obstacles like rivers and mountains stand in your way, the flying module can take off and bypass everything, smoothly and safely. One of the most impressive features is the manual flight control system. Instead of needing flying lessons or a pilot's license, you can control the drone using a gear lever-style joystick. According to XBank, most users will master the system within a day, making flying accessible to everyone. And don't worry about running out of charge in the air. The ground module comes equipped with a range-extending electric propulsion system that generates power using fuel. This allows the flying module to recharge on the go, eliminating range anxiety altogether. When it comes to safety, XBank isn't taking any chances. The flying module has distributed electric propulsion, meaning even if one motor fails, others keep the system stable. A multi-parachute emergency landing system, capable of activating at altitudes below 50 meters, something unheard of in other aircraft. This system acts like the airbag system in cars, deploying in emergencies to ensure safe landings and protect all occupants. XBank has already conducted multiple motor failure tests with success, proving the flying module's reliability in even the most critical scenarios. Another standout aspect is the design philosophy. Everything about this vehicle screams innovation. From the futuristic aesthetics to the integration of cutting-edge AI for autonomous mode, it reflects the beginning of a new transportation era. Think of it as a Tesla on steroids, with wings. The company's immediate launch plan is focused on mainland China, but expansion is already on the horizon. Within 2 to 3 years, they aim to enter global markets, bringing this game-changing technology to countries all over the world. This is not a concept car. This is a real, working modular flying vehicle. A serious solution to real-world transportation challenges like urban congestion, emergency mobility, and off-grid access. We're entering a new age, where cars don't just drive, they fly. So what do you think? Are you ready for flying cars on the street and in the sky? This is Auto Apex, and we're bringing you the front row seat to the future of mobility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech breakthrough like this one. Stay tuned, because the future is just taking off.